So in this Freecash tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to make money easily here on Freecash. So once the Freecash app is opened up, I want you guys to go to the bottom left here and press on Earn. Now, once you guys are on the earn screen right here, you are going to be seeing a bunch of different offers that are available to you guys. Now, if you want to start earning money super easy, super simple, and right away, you can explore these different offers right here. So in this case, if I were to download and play Dice Dreams, I can earn $521. If I were to download Monopoly Go, I can earn $862. If I want to play Domino Dreams, I can earn almost $1,700 by playing these games, completing different challenges, getting to certain points in the game, and earning simple cash because of that. So for example, if I were to go ahead and download Dice Dreams right here, in order to start earning money right away, you can complete the rewards. So in this case, if I were to complete Kingdom 40 within 11 days, I can earn $30. If you want to earn even simpler money, playing on 7 different days will give you 7 cents. Playing on 20 different days will give you 15 cents, etc. If you were to go ahead and complete Kingdom number 1, or within 90 days, you can earn 1 cent. And it's super easy to start earning just by playing an iPhone game. So you can scroll down, see all the different rewards. You can go to the bottom, press play and earn, download the app, play this way, and start earning as soon as possible. This also works for other games, as I mentioned before, right? You can play, Raid Shadow Legends. You can go ahead and play Animals and Coins, like whatever the case may be. Tons of different offers for you guys to go and really explore. In this case, now if I were to go ahead to cash out right here, once you guys start earning money, and it's pretty easy to do so, you can scroll down and cash out in the form of PayPal gift cards to your bank account, Google Play, Amazon, Apple, etc. You can also go to the rewards tab right here. And you can also go to where it says invite friends in the top right. And you can share your referral link and start earning money that way. So a bunch of different ways to earn money super easily just by downloading Freecash and exploring the app, playing the games, etc. And yeah, pretty straightforward, pretty simple. That's how you guys can make money pretty easily here on Freecash. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.